Welcome to Jainam Software. Now, in this is actually the part 6 of the NBFC training video, and in this video, I'll be showing the staff login, how the staff does the collection, and once the collection is done, where it'll show how it will sync in the admin login. So in this case, let's get started. In the first video, I had shown through HR management employee list how the login ID and password is provided. Now once that is provided, let's log in through this one. This is the user ID. Okay. Now employee 3, if you see employee 3, to which group he has been assigned to, this group assignment has also been shown in part 1. So employee 3 is assigned to everybody in the Mumbai group, in the Pune group, and in the Satara group. Now there are 5 members allocated to employee 3. So for all the 5 members, if you see, whatever loan is due for collection will show in his login. So let's just sign out of the admin login and log in as employee 3. I'm going to log in. Okay. Now if you see, he can see only the access that has been provided to him, nothing more or nothing less. Now in field collection, loan collection list, if you see, there are about 6 loans that are due, that is showing for his collection today. So let's see, like say the employee downloads Jainam software from the Play Store, and then he goes, he logs in just the way I have done using his username and password, and then he goes to field collection, loan collection list. He visits customer MH, and customer MH pays him 933 by cash. So he is going to receive. Okay. So first collection has been done. Now second collection is for customer MH for loan 1. Or say let's go to customer 3. His monthly installment is 933. But say he is not given him 933, he is giving him just 800 because he has 800. So he can add in the follow-up comments 133 pending still. Okay. So then he can just add the follow-up and receive this 800. So how much has been received? 800 plus 933, that is 1733. Now he goes to the third customer, customer 7. Now for customer 7, what he is doing is, say customer 7 is not at home. So what he's going to do is just add a follow-up comment, not at home. Okay. First add the follow-up comment and just skip this. So what will happen? That person will go from his loan collection list. Okay. And it will show in the skipped list. Now let's see. Okay. So for today's collection, 1733 has been done by employee number 3. So I'm going to log in from admin again. Okay. And I'm going to just check the sync, how it has synced. So you'll go to collection report, collection by staff. If you refresh, you will see employee number 3 has done 1733 collection and it is unverified. As I had told in my reporting video, that if you are an employee, it will go in the unverified column. If you are an admin, it will go in the verified column. Now you have to verify this amount. So you're just going to click here and see, okay, from 5 he has done 933, and from 3 he has done, from account 3, that is customer 3, he has done 800. So if you, okay, let's check then 5. You'll go into 5 and you will have to check the transaction here. So if you check the transaction and the installment tracker. So yes, received by cash 933, employee number 3. And see the tracker if the full amount has been received. It will be in green in color if the entire amount is received. Now let's check the other customer as well. If you go to collection report, collection by staff, and here if you see the other person who had given only 800, his installment amount was 933. But he has given only 800. So I'll just click on 3. Okay. And I will just see the transaction first. 800 has been received. Yes. And then check the tracker. It should show 133 pending. So it's showing 133 pending. So now what the admin can do is, the admin can just verify that amount. So collection by staff, and just verify this amount, okay, and it goes into the verified column. Now if you check, say, so this is a collection. Now we had skipped one customer, so where can we see? We can see in, just give me a minute, loan skipped list. Okay, so we the employee 3 had skipped 7 number, customer 7, because he was not at home. So if you go and check, all his comments will also be visible for you here in the follow-up. If you check in the follow-up, here he says not at home. Okay, so what you can do is, after some time, when, if your, say, boy is still on the collection and this person calls him and he wants to do the collection now, you can just add him to collection again. Okay, so this way there are a lot of features that you can also, try and figure out how they work, and if they will be how they will be helpful for your business. Okay, so this way the skipped list works. Now let's log in as the employee again. Okay, when you log in as an employee, we have given him, actually we should have given him my collection, this, we have given him daily collection. Now you can see that his collection is 1733. Now suppose he wants to hand over this collection to the admin. Okay, so what he does is, he selects the admin. Actually, let's do something, and he does 1733. So by mistake, we have there have been a lot of admins here for me. I'll check and find out if we can see the deleted admins as well. So I'm going to hand over this 1733. So this 1733 has been handed over to Gauri Karmali, who is the admin, and it is acceptance is pending because it's not been accepted yet. Okay, now let's see if the admin can see it. Okay, so now admin should be able to see it again in my cash transaction. So if I refresh, actually you can see it here, 1733, that the employee had given the admin is awaiting acceptance. So you just accept this money. So what you can do is, you can count the amount and then accept this amount. Okay, so then it will show properly here. Okay, internal it's showing internal because it is your internal collection. Okay, internal collection that is done by the employee. So this way, whatever collection is also coming, that can be reviewed and it can be accepted by the admin. So friends, you can also try and research a lot of things after you check this video out, and see that there are a lot of features which are which will really help your business to save time and get work done automatically. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.